Вот у нас тут тусничок, улитки. Okay, it's recording now. I was talking without recording, can you imagine? So, here's our snail. Some of snails. Snail is working here and trying to eat what he reaches.
Snail.
Yeah, some snail here.
Snails.
Yes, little snail. And
Are you recording?
I'm recording, yes, Stas. So please, they hear you, yes.
The customers.
Yes, customers hear you now. You can say something.
Hi, I'm the son of Daddy and Mommy.
Your son of daddy and mommy, very funny.
Daddy Daddy is recording.
Yes, that is recording video
I am the son.
from
I'm
aquarium.
working to earn money. 5 and 2 zeros, 500. I want to earn.
Mm-hmm.
So you can send me something in English, please.
They can send you some request. You will fix their stuff, yes, and they need to pay you money. Don't they? Cool. Very nice.
Not sad. I don't want to fix this stuff. I want to fix my stuff for sending, not other stuff for sending customers. I need to send customers them of my stuff. Water sinking. I don't think.
Вот такая история делается в этом аквариуме. Понятно, что с микроскопом биологическим будет видно немножко больше и немножко интересней. Но все-таки стерео дает ощущение пространства, настоящих мерцаний и вообще супер вещи.
What you eat?
Stas, I hear you, of course.
You hear some boys.
Somebody shouting outside. Okay.